Okay, so I got a quick fix for, we just hung this panel up on the board. It's not too thick, but it's thick enough, as you can see. So now the outlets are too far back. So a quick fix for this are, these are, here I'll show you. They're outlet spacers. So you can cut them in twos, and then you just fold it over. And as you can see here, they go behind your screw. And basically what's that doing is it's pulling the whole light switch out further so it's flush with the extra space that you added into your drywall. So real simple. I started out here with just two. Let me get this out. What? Okay, so we're gonna do the bottom one. I've got 3 here. I'm gonna put them right here. And we're gonna do, here we go. I'm gonna put this in right there. Okay, hold that there. We're gonna check it. Perfect. There we go. See how these are not flush? And that one's nice and flush now.
Ready.
All right, let's do the second one. Unscrew it.
And we're going to take it all apart.
And what are we going to put in it?
A green staple.
A green spacer.
And can I put a face on?
I'm going to get, we need 3. Here, show. So we're going to cut one. We're going to add it to our 2. Okay, now you want to try to put it underneath? Our little helper is going to try to, here, let me help you because the electric is still on. Pull it out, slide it under. Get lined up. Good job. Okay, here you go. Here's your screw. Hold it with one hand and then put your screw in there.
And then we're done.
You need a Phillips head. And screw. Oh, wait a minute. I think you missed it. Hold on.
Wait, you didn't start it.
Screw it in. Yep. Keep going. Righty-tighty. You gotta push on it.
We did Mom's house, like cool.
There you go, and you got your spacer in there. Now we gotta do the other 3. So how many of them are you putting together now?
3.
3, that's right.
I already cut them.